I'm going to come check with Ethan and Isaac next. Okay, let me hear yours, Isaac. So what strategy are you using? Okay, hocus pocus. All right, eyes up here. Wow, I heard some really, really great strategies for how people were trying to solve their problem. So I want to hear some of the strategies that we used. Brandon, quickly come sit. Okay. So, first of all, before we even start, I just want to say, what is our total number of bunnies at the end? What was our total number? Abraham?
16.
No, what was our total number at the end?
10. Oh.
Amira, what did you say?
10.
10. So where would I put my total number in my number bond? Let's just make sure we have that ready to go. Alani?
The big one.
Yeah, our total always goes
And the big one.
in our big box of our number bond, because this is the total. We're trying to figure out what two numbers we put together to get that total. Do we have any numbers that we already know that we can put in that number bond? Oh, wait. Can I have you sit in the bottom, please, so that Shayla can see? Do I have another number that I already know that I can put in my number bond? If you're playing with those, I'm going to take them. What is the other number that I know that's already... Armish, what was the other number that we already know? Sammy had how many?
6.
6. So where am I going to put that?
In the little box.
Oh, in the little box. So I know that there's 6 bunnies to start, and I have to figure out what I have to add to 6 to get what?
4. 10.
10. I have to figure out what I have to get 10. I don't like to shout out the answers. I want other people to be able to think. So who can tell me, what did you do first? What is the strategy we used? What did we do first? What did we do first? Alani? Abner?
First we counted the big number, and then
So you counted, or you knew how many you had to start with?
I knew how many I had to start at.
Which is how many?
6, and then I added 4, and then.
Okay, so let's start with the 6. So we knew we had 6, so I'm going to draw our 6 bunnies. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I know that we have 6. Then what do we do though? But if I know that I have to get to 10, what would I do? Because now I'm stuck. What would I do? I'm waiting. What would I do, Samantha?
Count on.
You counted on. So you knew you started with 6. Can you count on for me?
7, 8, 9, 10.
So how many more bunnies were there, Samantha, that I needed? 4. So I'm going to do 7, 8, 9, 10. So, well, now that I know what my other number is, what number is going to go into the rest of my number bond? Abraham? 4. So who can tell me what is my number sentence? What is my equation for this problem? Jackson?
6 plus 4 equals 10.
Oh, can you write the answer for me, Isaac? Yeah? Nice work. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Put a thumbs up right here, quiet. Nice down if you disagree. I think everybody agrees. Nice work. So here's what we're going to do now. I'm going to wait for everyone to be crisscross applesauce, eyes on the board quietly. Okay. So this says, what is missing? So what is missing in this problem, Ethan? What's missing?
They have a question mark.
What does that question mark mean? What is right here? What are we trying to find? Christian?
We have to like find the number.
So we have to find the number of what 5 plus 7 equals, okay? So, oh, I don't like when we shout out numbers. So 5 plus 7 equals what? So we're trying to figure out the total. That's what's missing, right, Samantha and Derek? That's what's missing, is we're trying to figure out the total. So here's what you're going to do. I'm going to get us into some math partners, and you are going to create a story problem to tell what this is about. I'll wait for Brandon's eyes. To tell what this story is about. So you're going to draw a picture to help you solve. So you have to draw a picture to solve what is under the question mark. And you have to write your number bond. And then I want you to write your equation as well. So you have to write your whole equation with the total. When you are writing a story problem, do I just say, I saw 5, then I saw 7? Is that a good story? No. What did you see 5 of? Or if I saw 5 lions, I was at the zoo and I saw 5 lions. Then I saw
7 tigers.
There you go. So I don't want to hear a story that just says, I saw 5, then 7. Is that a good story? No, you have to have a whole story so I know 5 what and 7 what. Okay? So we're going to start getting into our partners. So I'm going to have our eyes over here. We are going to be doing our story problems in our math journal. So you will get out your math journals and work on this with your partner. Okay, I hope you're paying attention, Ethan, so you know who your math partner is. Okay, Kaden and Jackson, go get your math books out and get started. Ethan and Isaac, go get your math partners, your math books out and get started. Trevor and Shayla. Aaliyah and Derek. Nicholas and Jasmine. Alexa and Samantha. Armish and Abraham. Amira and Christian. Alani and